You've definitely seen these ad videos that keep popping up in your searches and all over different social media platforms every day. Sometimes it's really hard to tell whether they're real or made with AI. The truth is, most of them are AI generated. Today, I want to introduce you to a platform that does this fully automatically. It uses an AI agent that can take a product link or different assets from you and turn them into multiple UGC style videos in no time. You don't even need to do a photo shoot anymore. You can generate high quality product promo images right here in just minutes. On top of that, this AI gives you access to a bunch of powerful tools for creating and editing both images and videos, and I'm going to show you all of them in this video. Let's jump in. First, go to bandy.ai using the link in the description. After logging in with your Gmail account, head over to the main dashboard of the platform. On the left-hand menu, you'll see different sections that can really help you out. One of the most useful ones is inspiration. From there, you can watch samples that other users have already created. You'll find videos on pretty much any topic you can imagine. There are all kinds of product promotions available. And with just one click, you can jump straight to the generation page and recreate them. Some of these videos are generated from a product link, while others are created manually by uploading different assets and writing prompts. So if you don't have an idea yet and just want to create an ad for your product, these samples can be a huge help. You can select any of them and easily view and analyze all the details of how they were made. Now let's test it together and see how it works. To get started, from the creative type menu, you can choose between three options: UGC video, which you're probably already familiar with; product image set, where you can generate multiple images of your product in different scenes and situations, even with characters; and the last option, agent mode, which starts completely from scratch. You can simply tell it what you want with no prior setup, and it will handle everything for you. To create a UGC video, you either need to provide a product link or manually import all the assets and descriptions. I'm going to use one of the example links provided here. In the platform section, you can specify whether the video is for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or other platforms. Then you choose the aspect ratio and the total length of the clip. You also have access to many different languages for the video. Let's see how it goes. As you can see, Bandy is now fully analyzing the link and very quickly extracting all the assets and complete product details. You can edit the title and description however you like, and you can also add or remove product images and videos. Anything else you want, you could simply tell the agent to do it for you. There are basically no limitations. Once you're ready, just hit confirm and let it continue. At this stage, the AI analyzes all the project descriptions and related files, then suggests 5 different scripts for you. These scripts come in various styles, such as problem solution, motivational, Gen Z, and more. You can choose whichever one you like, or even ask it to generate more options. I'm going to select option number 2 and move forward. And just like that, in no time and with incredible simplicity, Bandy AI prepares 8 preview videos for us. Since these are not the final versions yet, they don't have perfect lip syncing or detailed editing, but we could still check out a few of them together.
Did you know prices for portable gaming could drop even lower? Don't say I didn't warn you. That's why the Nintendo Switch is changing how you play. Life is a game. Play it anywhere with Nintendo Switch. From solo Mario nights to epic local battles, it brings joy like no other.
Now you can select as many of these videos as you want finalized. For this demo, I'll just pick one of them. Done. And there you have it, the final video created just like that.
Did you know prices for portable gaming could drop even lower? Don't say I didn't warn you. That's why the Nintendo Switch is changing how you play, letting you enjoy your favorite games wherever you go. From solo Mario nights to epic local battles, it brings joy like no other. Grab yours and start playing.
Now I want to start the project using my own assets. Here you can upload up to 20 image and video files and then provide a complete description of your product. Just like before, all the settings can be fully customized to match your needs. In the first step, the title, description, and uploaded files are organized and categorized, and the system waits for your confirmation. In the next step, just like before, it suggests several different scripts. This time I'm going to choose option number 2 again. After that, 8 preview videos are generated for you, each with a different concept
Hey everyone, quick story time. Remember how I used to complain about joint pains and just feeling off? Well, I started taking this premium omega-3 fish oil, and seriously, it's been a game changer. Have you ever wondered why your joints ache even when you're not working out hard? If joint discomfort is holding you back, let's dive into how Joint Flex can offer real relief and support.
As you can see, these are not fully polished and are meant only for preview purposes. And this time I select 2 videos and move on to the final stage so we can see the completed project together. As you can see, the platform quickly delivers the final videos ready for you to download and use right away.
Does anyone else have that one ache that just won't go away no matter what you do? If you're tired of stubborn pain, let me introduce you to Relief Flex, the product that changed my everyday comfort. Remember how I used to complain about joint pains and just feeling off? Well, I started taking this premium omega-3 fish oil, and seriously, it's been a game changer. No fishy burps, just pure health benefits. Better memory, smoother joints, and I'm feeling sharper than ever. If you've been looking for a sign to take your health seriously, this is it. Get yours now and start feeling the difference yourself.
Now I want to test the product photo suite using one of Bandy AI's own samples, and you can upload your product image and explain what kind of images you want it to generate based on your description. You also choose your target platform, and as always, the language and aspect ratio are fully adjustable. At this stage, in addition to reconfirming the previous information, you can review the new details that have been extracted. First, your product image is fully analyzed and its precise details are written out for you. Then, based on the information you provided, the AI generates several different prompts for image creation. You can modify this plan if you want, or confirm it to start the generation process. All the images are generated with impressive accuracy. Honestly, it's excellent and really impressive because you no longer need product photography or even prompt and scenario writing. This AI handles everything for you from start to finish. In the tools section, there are many different tools available for generating and editing images and videos that you can use. For example, this one called Try On Clothes lets you change a model's outfit. And all you need to do is select one or more clothing items and shoes, then choose your preferred model. Bandy will dress the model in those items so you can see whether the outfit works or not.
And just feeling off? Well, I started taking this premium omega-3 fish oil, and seriously,
once the image is generated, you can edit it in different ways. For instance, you can change the character's pose using the Create Pose and Angles tool.
If you've been looking for a sign to take your health seriously, this is it. Get yours now and start feeling the difference yourself.
You can also turn your image into a video. To do that, you either select from the available video styles or use the prompt that's already prepared for you, which is fully editable. Next, you can set the video duration and the number of videos you want, then hit Create. It handles this incredibly fast and smoothly as well. In my opinion, if this platform fits your line of work, it's definitely worth checking out and getting familiar with. Until next time, stay creative.